Active income is the most common way people earn money, yet very few actually stop to understand what it really means. In simple terms, active income is money you earn by actively working. You trade your time, effort, or skills, and in return, you get paid. The moment you stop working, the income usually stops too. This is how most of the world survives, especially in the early stages of life. Think about a regular job. You show up, you do your work, and you receive a paycheck. That paycheck is active income. Hourly wages, salaries, overtime pay, freelancing, consulting, driving for rideshare apps, or doing client work online. All of these are forms of active income. They depend directly on your presence and effort. No work means no pay. Active income feels safe because it's predictable. You know when your paycheck is coming, and that stability helps people plan rent, groceries, and daily expenses. This is why active income is usually the first step toward financial independence. It gives you structure and immediate cash flow. Without it, most people couldn't survive. But here's the limitation people don't like talking about. Active income is capped. You only have so many hours in a day and so much energy. Even if you work harder, there's a limit to how much you can earn. That's why many people feel stuck even after working for years. They're putting in effort, but their income doesn't grow fast enough to match rising expenses. Another important truth is that active income is vulnerable. If you get sick, laid off, or need time off, your income can drop or disappear. That's not a failure, it's simply how active income works. It relies on you being able to show up consistently. Still, active income isn't bad. In fact, it's powerful when used correctly. Active income is often what funds investments, builds emergency savings, and creates opportunities for other income streams. It's the engine that starts everything else. The smartest approach isn't to escape active income immediately, but to use it wisely. Learn skills that increase your earning potential, negotiate better pay, and use part of your active income to build assets that don't depend entirely on your time. Over time, this creates balance and reduces pressure. Active income is the foundation. It's where most people begin, and for many, it remains a core part of their financial life. Understanding its strengths and limits helps you make smarter decisions instead of feeling trapped. When you control how you use your active income, it stops being a cage and starts becoming a tool for building freedom.